So what is True Social app? So here is how it looks like. So it's the main app developed by Trump. It's kind of his new social media, and here's how it looks like. Of course, it's your decision if you want to create an account here. The main kind of overview and highlight of this app is that it connects conservative community, and like yeah, with recent developments, yeah, like people are not that satisfied with mainstream social media like Facebook or Twitter. That's why like True Social can be in the top charts of social media category of App Store. But recently, Elon Musk wants to buy Twitter, so let's see if that changes something and if the deal is completed and if True Social will actually survive and all these users will go to Twitter. But anyhow, for now, this is like the growing app. This is how it looks like. You can see your feed. It's kind of like a like looks like Twitter. You can see threads. You can see retweets. It means retweets. You can see likes. You can see who liked or who retweeted. Then here you can see three dots and then more settings like mention, mute, someone, block, report. You can like, you can reshare, you can comment here, you can reply, and in reply you can attach photos, videos, and there is like a limit of 500 characters, so it's a bigger limit compared to Twitter where you only have like 280 something. So that's the idea. So yeah, as you can see, it's looks very similar to Twitter. Then you can just write your message. You can compose truths, how it's called here. Just enter image, video, and then just write it here. Um, you can follow other accounts here on the app. You can see popular truths. You can see hashtags. Then you can see alerts like of the people who followed you or who mentioned you. Uh, so yeah, and then there are messages. And messages are not coming yet. New direct messaging experience will be available soon. Please stay tuned. And then yeah, so it's yeah, so this experience should come over, but I've seen this message over a few months, so I don't know when it should be there. But at the moment, it's not possible to send DMs or direct messages. Then you have your profile. You can block, you can mute profiles. There are preferences. You can change your email, enable 2FA. Then you can change your appearance as you want, and if you're not happy with the app, you can just delete your account completely. So yeah, and that will also delete all your data and stuff like that. That's then here is your profile. You can edit your profile, change your name, but this is not your username. So to change your username, probably you need to reach out to True Social support. You can add your location, add your bio, you can add your banner, and that's it. So that's very basic. To reserve your username, you can only do it when you create your app, and that's it. So no other way at the moment. It's very limited, like the support options, and like I think they removed the support option button here as well because there were so many requests and all of that. Like the popular question is also how to get verified, because you can see some accounts with like check marks here, but like you need to reach out to their support. So just go to their, I don't know, either go to their website. By the way, this app is also now available on the web. Recently it was just announced that it's available on the web. So you can go to the website and then you will be able to reach out to their support or something like that. Coming soon on Play Store. So here is help center, and then from here you will probably can reach out for any support issues. And yeah, by the way, this app is an open source, and I think it's based on Mastodon open source GitHub project or something like that. But yeah, there you have it. That's the app. It's you see, it's very minimalistic at the moment. It's very kind of limited. But yeah, that's the whole point, is that it has this community. If you want to engage with it, you can join the app.